Nice little level, nice level. All the way up at the top. We measured that thing perfect. Oil change complete.
Not too late to chase the sun. Just you wait.
Before you put your car up on ramps or jack it up, if you have the self-leveling system, there'll be a little emblem here. I'll put a picture of it. You would hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Your dashboard would indicate that it has been disabled or turned off. Then you're free to jack it up. And then once you're done, you just reverse the same process to turn it back on. Porsche Macan. Sorry, the ramps. We're up on the ramp. We're going to set our parking brake. See it turned on. All right. Let go. She don't want you no more. Oh yeah. Slide that back. Slide that back. Slide that back. So we're good there. Now we're getting ready to drain it. So we'll start with ventilating my oil cap. Just kind of let it sit there to the side. We've switched to our 8mm. That's what we'll need to get the drain plug. Got my oil pan ready. Got a high catch valve on it, so it's raised up to reduce the splash. So I'll move it until I kind of get it ready to go, and I'm able to hand loosen it, but it fits right in there. Oh, there we go. Got that broken down. And now be careful. It's supposed to be warm, but you don't want it to be scalding hot. That's why I got my glove on. No glove, no love. Well, we loving today, baby, because we gloved up. Yes, sir. So we're just gonna kind of hand loosen it until it starts to come on out of there. And then I'm gonna pull the plug itself. Here we come. Definitely it was time for an oil change. And that's why we're changing it. See it very good. This is a 36 connection. It goes right on your oil filter, like so, or your cabinet. And that breaks a little taste. So I went with the Male, whatever, OX254D4. This is the one that it spec'd out for my car. Double check for yours. But they're the same filter, you can see. So we should be good. And everybody is saying that it's easier to put this on this portion first. So we'll go ahead and do that. So just to show you guys, you can see why I'm recommending those filters, because this is the oil filter cover that is. It's the same brand. And then it will also tell you the size attachment you need to take this off, which is the 36 as we discussed. And it also tells you to tighten it to 25 Newton meters. So all of that's right there. All right, you'll just put your new O-ring on there into that same groove. Make sure it's in the same groove or it will not seal properly. So can't mess it up. It's the only groove it fits in. There's your old O-ring. So then I'm gonna take some of my new oil, give it a little bit of lubrication. What I'm going with is the liquid moly, made in Germany. So it's my car, motor oil, SAE 5W40. And then what you're looking for sure is the Porsche A40 certified. So it means this is good to put into my vehicle. And it takes 8.5 quarts, I believe. So I got 2 of these. We'll fill it and check, fill it and go. Good. There we go. For sure lined up now. I'm gonna try to get it snug first, and then I'm gonna turn on my new mirror. I got it on true. Turn it on first. TN. Just tell me what it's registering as I turn it here. Very properly together. Fits very properly together. I did not show was mine not only has 15 T25s, it also has 2 of these little, I don't know what you call them, kind of like the things in your trunk to keep your liner in, push pin, push things. So these went here. Then I'm gonna try to get that back in. Pull the lever. Like so. That one's in. Then we got one over here too. See? Twins. Okay? And so we're gonna get it to go in too. Like that. And now it's in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Since this car does not have a dipstick, you have to drive it, get it up to temperature, and then it will digitally read the amount of oil you have in your car. So I went underneath just to be safe, not to overfill, but I'm way off. So like I said, it takes 8.5 quarts. I probably put in 6. So I need to go in and add at least 2.5 quarts to get it all the way up, and then it'll show. And then of course I got to do it again, get the car back up to temperature, and then it'll let me read it again. And I'm trying to get it to full. Show green, it'll show green, it'll show my line up there by full. So that's what we're about to do. So stay tuned. All right, so you can see my oil level is correct, but you see the green bar is kind of almost below half. So I'm gonna put some more to try to get it on up to full. In case you're curious, this is what it says until it's ready to make the read. It just says this, or it'll say unavailable at the moment, and then it'll go to this screen. And then once it's finally up to temperature or whatever it needs, then it'll give you your oil reading. Yeah, that's not smart, Porsche. Not smart. Oh, my Lanta. After driving around, man, look at that. Oil level is correct. Look at that thing. Nice little level. Nice level. All the way up at the top. We measured that thing perfect. Oil change complete.